Good morning, Shelby and Mark. Currently, that river is sitting at 26.1 feet, and unfortunately, officials are saying it's not stopping there. This weekend, we're going to see it rise potentially another foot. But just to put things in perspective for you, typically the river sits at about 12 feet, so you can see just what the difference is there. And we spoke to some area businesses who say if levels were to rise again, they would have to consider closing shop. And Assistant Public Works Director Cy Maroon says due to the recent storm activity, he can't quite put an estimate on when the levels are going to go down.
The problem that we're having, I think, right now with our water is slower receding and slower going down is because the Mississippi River has been flooded for so long, and we actually dump into the Mississippi River. So we're caught in the middle, basically, between the Mississippi and what's coming from up north.
The flooding could also throw a wrench in your weekend plans. The Peoria riverfront will be home to the Spring Fling Festival this weekend. More than 20 rock bands will perform under the Murray Baker Bridge, but that main stage was moved over to the Gateway building, so no worries there. So even though you're seeing this water rise here, that festival is still going to go on. So if you're looking to dance and have a good time, no worries there. But there's also some residents being affected just south of the Illinois River, and there the Governor J.B. Pritzker activated 200 National Guard troops to monitor flooding. The troops based in Galesburg, Springfield, and Milan reported to their units yesterday their help with the state's ongoing flood fight operations, including sandbagging and levee monitoring operations. Now, we have been giving you team coverage, and we'll be continuing to do that for you throughout today and into the weekend. We'll be sure to give you the latest updates on air and online, so follow us wherever you can to get those latest updates. For now, live here in Peoria, Reid sending it back to you in studio.